Okay, my lesson for the Promethean board is weather, and students are going to learn about the different kinds like sunny days, rainy, snowy, etc. First, they will go to this slide and we will click on this link and listen to a weather song that is on YouTube. I think they'll like it and it will be entertaining for them. After listening to that song, we will go on and talk about what month we're in. And so we are in November, as we see. Students will then have the option to be interactive, and they will get to come up to the board and drag the number into the right day, wherever it goes. So, for example, today is the 14th, and it is a Monday, and so they will just drag it to over here. After we are done with that, we will go to the next slide and talk about the seasons and explain how each month we could be in a different season. So like September, October, November, those are all the fall months. So we are experiencing cooler temperatures out, and we're seeing the leaves change colors, and there's a mixture of cloudy and sunny days. Whereas in December, January, February, some of March will be in winter, and the temperatures will get colder, and we'll have occasional snow days, and then explain how we then go into spring and summer. This next slide is kind of a matching game. So students will have the opportunity to come up to the board and they'll get to drag something out of the magic box. So this one is a sun, and so they'll know that that goes under summer and not winter. And the next thing, it's a picture of a snowman, so they'll put together that winter is the colder month and summer is hot, so this will go under winter. Then have cold temperatures, so that will go under winter. And each student will get the opportunity to do this, so they'll probably drag one item out of the box, and then a different student can come up. Sledding, that is an activity that will go under winter. See, I know there's more items in here. And so we have swimming, that is a summer activity. And then humid days are also common in the summer. Okay. And then our next slide, we will go and click on this link, and it will take us to our next activity that I will have printed out in advance. And this worksheet is called What's the Weather Like? And it just gives them pictures, and then they have to write the right sentence that explains the picture. So this will help them just to recognize all the weather and their symbols such as snow, rain, sun, and also help them practice writing and writing small sentences. After they complete that worksheet, as kind of incentive for completing the worksheet, we will go here and then we will make an art project. So there's one here for each season, so depending on what season we're in is which one they'll make. So since we're in fall, they will make the tree one, which they will paint or color the tree, and then they will use their thumbs and fingers to put all the leaves on, so like the red, the orange, and the yellow. did this art project as an incentive, like I said, because it will prompt them to like really focus on the worksheet that I gave them and to understand all the weather elements. And this will also help them understand how a calendar works and what the different sections mean, such as like the days and the number of day and the months and how many months there are in a year, and it will give them a better grasp of it all. So in the end, I expect them just to know that what all the seasons are and like what kind of things we can expect, such as like leaves changing in fall, cold temperatures in winter. It's going to be hot in summer, and probably going to have more rainy days in the spring. And that is it.